Hello everybody. I must here just say what is special about Landsupport. This Horizon 2020 project, 15 partners, 4 years. So in order to explain you something about Landsupport, we must start from basics. So the basic is that everybody of us basically is sensitive to sustainability. We speak many times in our conference about it. We have everyday satellite which produce terabytes of data for helping us sustainability in agriculture, forestry, environment. We have drones, we have many different tools for producing lots of data. So the issue is why things worsen instead of ameliorating. Why there is so much threats on our territory, why we lose in only Europe 150 hectares per day by land take, or 100 more in terms of land degradation by many other things, erosion, loss of biodiversity, etc. With the Landsupport, we realize that basically the problem is not simply to have data, but to have tools. Data alone, like a visualization of beautiful satellite image, are just not enough. We must produce tools to enable, to empower those who take decisions over the landscape to better manage the landscape, to have a sustainable practice, to produce scenario analysis, etc. So basically, Landsupport takes data, modeling, graphical user interface in order to produce decision support tools. We produce 15 tools ranging from agriculture, forestry, spatial planning, environment, even ecotourism and biodiversity are there, basically to better manage the environment. And these 15 tools must help us to better sustain, to produce to better govern the environment by sustainable approach. We think that by this effort, we all together with you can really work together to produce something unique, really the way ahead where we must go in order to better live in this world.